Welcome to another episode of Twin Cooking. I'm your host Atif Rahman, and today inshallah we will learn how to make Dahi Bhallas. It's a very popular Ramadan recipe. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Okay, to start off we will take a half chopped onion. This is a medium one. If you have a larger one, then take about 4/4. 5 pieces of garlic, 1 teaspoon salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red crust chilies, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, 1 cup of split chickpeas or chana dal. I soaked it in the water for about 2 to 3 hours. And finally, half kg yogurt. So we will start mixing the materials. First we will add the chana dal into the mixer. Basically, we will add everything into the mixer except the besan and the yogurt. So while mixing, just add a little bit water into the mixer. Alright, so now we are finished mixing it. Once you see the material start looking like this is when you know the material is ready to make the bhallas. So now as you can see, I have put all the ingredient into a separate container, and now I will add the besan or the gram flour into this material, and then we'll just start mixing it. And now as you can see, the material is fully mixed with the besan. So now we will start making the bhallas, but before we do that, just on a burner, just have some oil ready on low flame. So because eventually we're going to start frying them as well. Okay, now the oil is nice and ready. So just put it on the medium flame now, and then just take a little bit of this material for the bhallas and start adding it to the oil. Like such. So now just leave it in the fryer for like 2 to 3 minutes. As soon as you see them coming brown, just like this one, so just flip it. Alright, so now as you can see, they're getting ready, so we will start taking them out one by one, and then I have a water container right next to me, and we'll put them in the water for a bit, for just a few minutes, and then we'll take them out. So now as you can see, I have put all of them into the water. We'll let it soak for a few minutes, and then we will start working on the yogurt. Alright, so about 5 to 6 minutes have passed since they've been in the water. So now I'm just going to show you that once you take it out of the water, just put it in your hands very lightly and try to take out the water and the oil from it. And that's it, just slightly. And then do that with each and every single piece. All right, so now we were able to make about 26 to 27 bhalas just by using 1 cup of split chickpeas or chana wala dal. Now you can actually store some of them in the refrigerator and just use some for now to make the dahi bhallas, as we know that dahi bhala is a very popular Ramadan dish and people like to almost make it every single day. So you don't necessarily have to worry about going through this step of frying the bhallas every day. You can just store it and take as many as you need accordingly. So now let's get started with the yogurt. Alright, so to make the yogurt, I have just taken 1 teaspoon of salt, about 2 tablespoons of plum chutney, and I have taken 2 teaspoons of the chaat masala, but we will add 1 right now and then 1 a bit later once we have everything inside. So let's get started. Take 1 teaspoon right now. And the plum chutney. Now you can also add a little bit of sugar as well if you like, just about a half teaspoon. While mixing it, just add a little bit, tiny bit water into this, just a tiny bit. Alright, so the yogurt is nicely mixed. Now I'm going to start adding the bhallas one by one. I'm just using about 8 to 9 in this quantity. The rest I'm storing. As I mentioned before, you can store it for a few days, up to 3 to 4 weeks actually in the fridge. Perfect Ramadan recipe. And just finish it off by adding the rest of the chaat masala on the top. You can add a little bit of more plum chutney as well if you like. And that's it. I can't wait to try this out. Inshallah, when the fast will be broken, we will start eating. So please try out this recipe. Let us know how you liked it. Like and subscribe to our channel, and Ramadan Mubarak to you and your family. Please remember the Twin TV team in your prayers. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Atif Rahman and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.